Today, we're going to show you how to make the ultimate cheeseburger sliders. First, prep your patties. Combine ground beef, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Form them into small, thin patties and cook on a hot skillet. While your patties cook, prepare your buns. Cut slider buns in half and toast them on a hot griddle with butter. Now it's time for the cheese. Add a slice of cheddar on top of each patty and let it melt. Assemble your sliders by placing the patty with the melted cheese on the bottom bun. Add a pickle slice, a tomato slice, and a dollop of ketchup and mustard. Don't forget the bacon. Fry up some bacon until crispy and cut it in half to fit perfectly on your slider. Finally, add the top bun, and voila! Your ultimate cheeseburger sliders are ready to be devoured. Serve them up for a game day or a backyard barbecue. Thanks for watching our cheeseburger slider recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.